guess what we're gonna make? Come on with me and I'll show you what we're gonna make. We're making sweet potato souffle. And as you saw in my intro, I took out some sweet potatoes out of the oven. I had to cut them open like this and let them cool because you got to handle them. They're too hot. So I had baked these I washed them. I put them on a cookie sheet and I baked them at 350 for an hour. And the knife goes right through it. So they're done. So we're gonna start off with, you need 3 cups of sweet potatoes. So then you take them out, you let them cool. And then you just peel this skin off like this. And it usually just comes right off. Or you can wash them and boil them in water, or you can buy you about 3 cans of sweet potatoes and then just warm them up in the microwave a little bit. I have done that. So there's plenty of ways to get to the same ending with these sweet potatoes. But I have found that baking them in the oven is the easiest. You can just put them in there, set the timer, and go do something else. Because on holidays or whenever you're making it, you're going to be plenty busy. So that's why we need to have the easiest way to do it. This is one of my family's favorite dishes. We always have to have this, and I love it too. But it's real easy to make. You just have to prep a little bit. And if you find a little hard spot, just cut around it. I'm going to take my masher and mash it. Can't see up there. I'm going to put my casserole in a 13x9 pan, which I've sprayed with Pam. Let's see. Just want to make sure I got enough. Okay, that's two cups. And then that's about another cup. Make sure I had 3 cups. And we're going to put 2 beaten eggs in it, which I've already broken and beaten them. A half a cup of milk. A half a stick of butter melted. Half a cup of sugar. And we're going to put 1 tablespoon of vanilla. 1 tablespoon. and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. It's 1 and 2. And I'm going to use my mixer to mix this all together. Now the topping goes on it. When I was mixing it together, I forgot and I put it all together. So the topping is 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of chopped pecans, a 1/2 cup of flour, and 1/3 stick of butter. And you mix it until it's crumbly, and it looks like that. And we're going to take it and sprinkle it all over the top. And this is what it looks like. And just crumble it up on top. And we're going to cook it 350 oven for 35 to 40 minutes. And it should be nice and crispy on top and all melted. And we'll stick this in the oven. And we'll be back directly, show you the end result. Hey folks, we're back. Everything's cooked. Got it plated up, fixing to eat. And look at this sweet potato casserole. It looks delicious. With that crunchy pecan topping, I know y'all gonna love it. Sweet, but not too sweet. So I hope you try it for Thanksgiving or Christmas or any time of the year that you can try it. So as always, God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.